What's up, guys? Corbin Lovins here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works today for the Bally comp here for the summer Bally Bash. I'm here with Cole Benton, Icy Flips. So, Cole, where are you from?
Seymour, Indiana.
Right, so same town, obviously, as me. Now, last year you got second in the competition, so how do you feel coming back here for another go at it?
Hoping to claim first since you're not competing this year.
Yeah, I get to have a little fun hosting. So how long have you been flipping for?
3 years.
Right, nice. So you've came here and competed in the last competition, and then you also competed at Atlanta. How do you think this stacks up?
I kind of like this one more than Atlanta because there's not as many good people that go here.
Yeah, a lot of big names really travel out, but we're starting to get a little more here, a little more exposure, and getting sponsors like Kershaw and Boker and Barron Sons and BRS definitely helps. So good luck today. We'll see how you do. Perfect. Now I'm here with Bally Jack. Now Jack, where are you from?
I'm local, right here in Tennessee.
Nice, nice. So obviously you competed last year. How do you like your odds this year against everybody?
I feel like there are a lot of people who were here last year again, and they've improved just like I have. So I feel like I'll stand pretty much in the same place I did last time, maybe go up a little bit higher.
So how long have you been flipping for?
Around 3 years.
Nice, 3 years. So what's your favorite move of anything?
Probably a giraffe. I just recently got those down consistently.
Nice, nice. I still have trouble with that, but yeah, so good luck today. We'll see how you place out. And I am joined here with Skelly Bones. So Skelly competed here last year. Yep. What did you place last year?
I think I placed 5th place.
Nice, nice. So competing last year, coming back this year, you're seeing more exposure, some more big name sponsors, some more people here like we didn't have last year. What do you think? How are your odds today and everything?
My odds, I have practiced a lot, but I'm thinking trying to get the top 3 this year. But I wish everybody luck, and it's just crazy to be here.
Yeah, it's so much fun coming here, of course, doing meetups with everybody, having everybody watch and flip and do an actual competition outside of Atlanta and outside of California. Something in the Midwest is really nice to have, and Smoky Mountain Knife Works has been great to help put this on. How long have you been flipping for?
I just passed 2 years this June, so...
Nice, nice. And now, a little different question. Who is your favorite flipper to watch flip?
I think my favorite flippers probably have to be Known Lyrics. Got to represent West Virginia here.
Chase is my boy. I wish he could have been here today. Congrats to him getting first a couple weeks ago.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. But yeah, so good luck today. Can't wait to watch, and I will be pulling for you, buddy.
Thank you.
No problem. I am here joined by
Momentum Heritage.
Momentum Heritage. So you are a new flipper this year here at the comp. You didn't compete last year, right?
Nope.
Right. Awesome. So what really caught your eye with this competition, wanting to come out here and everything?
Really, Icy Flips told me about it, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to do that.
So how long have you been flipping for?
About 2 years.
Nice, nice. So what are your expectations for the comp today?
Just to have a good time.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Well, I appreciate you coming out here. Thank you very much, and we will watch you flip. All right, guys, we have way more flippers than just those 4. You get to watch them flip here later today. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to watch even more flipping here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works at Summer Bally Bash 2022. Alrighty, so the way that this is going to work, our first round is going to be single 10-second round. Our second round is the semifinals. We will have two 10-second round, 20 seconds in total. And for our finals, we will have 3 10-second rounds. So these guys are putting in a lot of time flipping. The good thing about this comp is, though, it's not just one round and you're out. We got double elimination, the best kind of elimination. So if you see on the bottom, we have our losers bracket. Whoever loses their round will then go down to the losers bracket and have a shot for third. First and second will be decided within that top bracket. And you see all the names. We have Momentum Heritage. We've got Army Landon, Mystic Flips, Skellebones, Jack, Valley Jack, Avery Day, Burrito, Shaved Ice, and Icy Flips. Now let me tell you, we have an amazing end to the first round. You guys are going to go, why is it going to be so good? Shaved Ice is why it's going to be so good. You guys just got to hold on for that one. All right, so are you guys ready to get started? These flippers say no, but I know they're chomping at the bit. All right, let's go up first with Momentum Heritage and Landon. Alrighty, so we will have 10 seconds each one. I'm going to need your guys' help. We do one on a stage at a time. We'll make sure everybody sees you. Alrighty, so I need everybody to help count with me for the 10 seconds, and at the end we will call time. Ready, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice first round there. And we got Landon going up next. Alrighty. Ready? Flip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Nice. Awesome round. Now, judges, that is 1 for Momentum, 2 for Landon. Who do we got? Landon takes the first round. Alrighty, for our second round, we're bringing it with Mystic Flips and Skellebones. Mystic is first. Alright, are you ready? Alright, ready, flip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Great round. All right, and next we have Skellebones. Alrighty, are you ready? Let's get it and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Time. All right, judges, that is 1 for Mystic Flips, 2 for Skellebones. What do we got? Mystic Flips moves on. All righty, next we have Jack and Avery. All right, Valley Jack is first. Are you ready? All right, you got 10 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice, nice. Now see, you can tell this is my first time hosting because I've already got a name wrong. All right, we've got Aiden. Aiden is up. Oh, did I just set up? It's all my fault, guys. All right, ready. And go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So, judges, you have Jack for 1, Aiden for 2. Who do you got? All right, Jack, moving on to the next round. All right, Burrito is up. Love this shirt. You got, oh, hold on just a second. Alrighty, Burrito, you are up. 10 seconds. Ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Nice job. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we got a special surprise for you here. Let's bring up Shaved Ice. Now, I'll tell you, this man is 4, but he flips a knife like he's 30. He's been doing it his whole life. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hear it for Jake. Nice. Good job. All right, and to fix my little mess up earlier, we're going to have Avery come up, and he is going to be the one taking on Burrito. Ready. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, judges. Remember, you can't vote for shaved ice. But you can vote Burrito or Avery. Avery moves on. Alrighty, but we're going to head on to the second round here in just a second. Now, our sponsors, once again, have given some great prizes. Our first place prize is $500 cash plus a BRS Alt Alpha Beast. MSRP sitting at like $500. So you're looking at like $1,000 grand prize for first place. Second place, we are sitting at a CF Lucha, one of the brand new Luchas. So that's super cool. And then third, I believe we have a Boker and a lot of swag to hand to each flipper. I was wrong. It's a Baron Son. There we go. It's Baron Son. I'm watching Misty in the back. She knows everything. Like I said, first time, guys. Take it easy on me. Alrighty, so what we will do is we'll go through the winner's bracket and then go down to the loser's bracket. So you'll see us fill it in as we go. Alright, are we ready? Oh, so here's our first place trophy as well. Here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, we like to go big. They said, can you get the craziest trophy possible? And we said, yeah, we can. So, and Landon, you are first. Ladies and gentlemen, remember this is 2 10-second rounds. Alrighty, judges, are you ready? Landon, are you ready? Alright, let's get after it. Ready, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Good first round, Landon. Alrighty, Mystic Flips up next. Are you ready? Alright, let's get it and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Alright, Landon up for your second round. Alright, Landon, are you ready? Alright, and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Nice job. Mystic Flips, you are back up. Are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, judges, keeping both rounds in mind, who do we have? Landon at 1, Mystic at 2. Landon moves on. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, Icy Flips was the second placer in last year's comp, so seeing him for the first time. Cole, are you ready? 10 seconds, go. 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, Avery, you are next. Ready, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Nice job. Cole, are you ready for round 2? All right, 10 seconds starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, Avery, your last round. All righty, let's get it. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, judges, who do we have? 1 for Icy, 2 for Avery. Icy Flips moves on. All right, and back-to-back, Icy Flips has to flip. Jack, you are up first. All right, Valley Jack, are you ready? Judges, are you ready? All right, 10 seconds, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Nice job. Cole, you are back up. All right, 10 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Valley Jack up for his second round. Are you ready? Like that fedora dripped out. Let's get it. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Nice job. Icy Flips back at it for his final round. All right, are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a tough one. I don't want to be one of the judges. Almost was. Thankfully I'm not. All right, judges. 1 for Valley Jack, 2 for Icy Flips. Who do you have? Icy Flips moves on.
Alright, so in case you guys don't know Corbin, Corbin is a former champion at Valley Comp. He won it a couple years back. He's placed nationally in the world. He's been kind enough to come here to Smoky Mountain Knife Works and help us get this thing started. We've learned a lot about Corbin and a lot about Balisong over the past year working with him. He's been one of the greatest people you could imagine to partner with on this. And he's actually going to perform for you real quick to show you some of the stuff that he's done to win some of these competitions and maybe a couple new tricks. And so here's Corbin. Everybody give him a round of applause. And that's why he's the champ. So, thank you, Corbin. And we will get ready to continue on to our next few rounds right here. So give it up for the people who are left remaining. Who are we going for?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. We are into our second part of our competition. We're almost ready for the finals. But before then, we've got to do our loser bracket. These are people who have lost once. You get a double elim. So let's go ahead and hop up to the next one. We have Momentum versus Skelebanes. Momentum is first. Remember, this is one 10-second round. Are you ready? Let's get it. Ready, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. The confidence, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have Skelebanes. With the Crocs. Okay, I see you. Put them in sport mode there, bud. Alrighty, are you ready? Let's go. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. And ladies and gentlemen, look at that hand and the arm. We bleed for this stuff. Alright, judges, number 1, Momentum, 2, Skelebanes. Let's see it. Oh, we got Skelebanes taking it in a split decision. Aiden, are you ready? Can't forget a knife and a knife. Alrighty, 10 seconds, ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Next, we've got Burrito showing out with that burrito shirt. I can tell you what, my fiance is Latina. I love burritos all day, every day. All right, 10 seconds. Are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, judges, that's a close one. You've got Aiden and Burrito. Burrito number 2, Aiden number 1. Who do you got? You've got Burrito taking that round in another split decision. These judges got it hard today, guys, I'm telling you. All right, for our second round in this redneck bracket we got here, we've got Mystic versus Skelebanes. We got the rematch, guys. All right, Mystic, you have one 10-second round. Are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice job, nice job. Skelebanes, you are next. All right, are you ready? Judges, are you ready? All right, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, judges. Number 1 for Mystic, 2 for Skelebanes. What do you got? Oh, Skelebanes takes it. Jack, you are up first. All right, Valley Jack, are you ready? All right, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice job. Next, we've got Burrito. All right, Burrito, are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, judges, we've got number 1 being Valley Jack and 2 being Burrito. Who do you guys choose? Burrito with a sweep. Alrighty, congrats. Alright, in this next round, we have Skelebanes and Burrito. This is two 10-second rounds, and this is for third place. Skelebanes, are you ready? Judges, are you ready? Skelebanes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice round. Burrito, you are up. Are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Alright, we've got the second of the two rounds. Skelebanes, you're first. You're up again, bud. Hey guys, this one's on freestyle. Alright, are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Great finisher. Burrito for his final round. Burrito, are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right, judges, you've got Skelebanes number 1, Burrito number 2. Who do you got? Skelebanes takes third. Burrito with fourth. Let's give a round of applause to both of these flippers. Now we are here for the Mac Daddy. The number 1 and number 2. This will be 3 10-second rounds. These guys have flipped a lot here so far. You've got to really dig deep in your bag of tricks in order to have something new for the judges here. So we have Icy Flips and Landon. Let's hear it for him before the round starts. Alrighty, Landon, you are first. Remember, 3 10-second rounds. Judges, are you ready? Landon, are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Good job. Icy Flips, you are next. Icy, are you ready? All right, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Ladies and gentlemen, they are showing why this is the final 2. Landon, you are up for round 2. All right, Landon, your second of your 3 rounds. Are you ready? And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice job. Icy Flips taking another one, another round. Icy Flips, are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Guys, the competition is heating up. I couldn't be one of the judges right now. I'm very happy I'm hosting even with my mess ups. Landon, you are up for your final round. All right, Landon, are you ready? Judges, are you ready? Making sure you haven't fallen asleep. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Nice job. Icy Flips, you are up next. All right, this is the final one, the one that takes all the marbles. Are you ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, hold on. Landon, if you'll come up on stage. Landon, if you'll come up on stage. All right, judges, keeping all rounds in mind. Who do you have? Cole at number 1, icy flips, or Landon number 2? Who do you got? Icy flips takes it. Hey, nice job. Skellebones go up on stage as well. Ladies and gentlemen, here are our top 3. Big congrats to all the flippers. They're getting some great prizes and swag bags. All the flippers, please stay nearby when you're finished. Everyone gets one. First place. Nice job. Landon, second place. Great flipping, dude. Skellebones brought that goal to top 3. Attaboy. Alrighty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, remember this is all possible due to our sponsors. BRS, Bear & Sons, Kershaw, Boker, and of course, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Alright, now, guys, just a second. Hey, Greg, move out of the way. We got people wanting to take pictures, buddy. All right. Also, ladies and gentlemen, before we finish, we gotta bring one more person up to the stage. Does everybody want to see shaved ice again? Yeah! I got a bag for you, buddy. I got something for you. You want it? Shaved ice, shaved ice, shaved ice, shaved ice, shaved ice, shaved ice. Hey guys, remember he's 4 years old. He's gonna come up here. Cole is actually his brother, so we know who's gonna take the crown soon, if you know what I mean. Go ahead, show us a little more. Nice! There you go, buddy. That's yours. All right, guys, once again, give it up for all of our contestants, all of our sponsors, and Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Thank you guys for coming. I am Corbin Lovins. This is our top 3. I appreciate you guys today. Thank you. Here at the finish of the Summer Bally Bash here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and I'm here with the winner, Icy Flips, Cole Benton. You might remember him from the interview we did before. Cole, how are you feeling?
Well, I lied and said I wasn't nervous, but I'm really nervous.
Hey, once you get to like, it's like you don't really know what to flip. You don't know what to do. You just kind of flip. So what was going through your mind semi-finals and finals?
I was just kind of worried to not do stuff that I've already done.
Nice, nice. So you were super clean, except I think for one drop early, but otherwise you were extremely clean. How are you feeling about your performance?
I feel like I did pretty good. Everyone else did really good too.
Yeah, it was pretty strong competition between everybody this year. Super proud of everybody, but really good job winning this amazing trophy. BRS Alpha Beast, flipping your BRS rep. Good job, man. Congrats, bringing the trophy back to Seymour. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And remember, if it cuts like a Balisong, we carry it here at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. This is Corbin Lovins. See you now.